Welcome to the set of Outrageous Pumpkins, joined by my dear friend, Duff Goldman. I thought it would be fun just to get us in the spirit, see how we would do carving a pumpkin.
Let's do it.
Duff is way pumped about this. At the end of this, we're gonna bring in Terri and Dan, and they're gonna judge who the ultimate all-star judge/host pumpkin carving amateur is.
Okay.
Let's put 10 minutes on the clock, and time starts now.
Okay.
Oh my God, it's so heavy. It's so heavy. I need to get a tool, pardon me.
Anything you want.
I'm gonna take this one and this one.
You sure you don't want this one?
No, I definitely do
this
not want
is like
that. That
this
looks...
was like Blackbeard's knife.
How does this little tool work? Oh. You really have to scrape much harder. I'm gonna cherry some stuff out.
What? Wait, you're gonna do what?
Cherry some stuff out.
What does that mean? Cherry some stuff out.
And I don't know. Terri says it a lot, and I'm gonna do it for her.
So tell me more about just like pumpkin carving. I don't know, like lore. Like, what am I looking for?
Well, we want a cohesive piece. Okay, first of all, tell me the story of your pumpkin, because that's what the biggest thing is, making sure there's story.
Oh, gotcha. Well, I don't know yet. He's mad. I think he's mad about
yours
something.
Yours is mad. Mine's gonna be whimsical.
Yours, yeah, you're whimsical.
Oh, that went a different. Okay, mine's gonna be crying. New plan. New plan. New plan! Oh no!
Okay, now he's...
Okay. 6 minutes
No
remaining
way.
in our car.
Yeah, we need more time.
Yeah, we're gonna need about 6 hours.
So like, are you making the face that you're trying to make as your,
I need a mirror. We have 1 minute!
1 minute! Son, hold on. No. You gotta get a little more time. A little more time.
Don't make me stop before the magic has happened. Don't freak out now. You have 10 seconds remaining. Don't freak out.
No.
Keep
no,
working.
No.
Keep
no,
working.
No.
Work, carvers.
Give me a
Get it done. Get it done, carvers.
Is this what you yell when
yes.
Finish
it up. Get it done. 3,
3,
2,
3, 3.5,
2.5,
2.5,
and 1. I think we have to be done. Hands up. No more carving. Okay, yours is very creative, and I appreciate it. I didn't know what was happening. I thought I had won, and then you turned it around, and I'm feeling a little less confident now, but I'm gonna sell this. Terri and Dan, Duff and I have carved some pumpkins for you all. And we would like for you all to take a look, give us some feedback, and let us know if we tied.
So you're either gonna tie or you're gonna win, right, Damaris?
No. I don't need to win. I just want to not lose.
So this is old man Smithers, right? He was doing great. He was like growing. Every day he'd wake up, there's the sun, he'd get a little bigger, he'd get a little bigger, he'd get a little bigger, and then out of nowhere, somebody grabbed him and says, hey, you're gonna get carved up today. So he's really grumpy about it, and that's what I tried to capture.
I definitely love the grumpy look of the pumpkin. I think he's quite adorable. It's very, very nice use of the stem as the nose.
Yeah, Duff, I really like how you took kind of what Mother Nature gave you with the stem and worked it into your design. It's minimal, but it's effective.
This is a tale of the duality of all of us. In each of us, we have the feminine and the masculine. We have the good, we have the bad. That is what our pumpkin is showing us, is that we just have to find the perfect balance so that we can have a happy jack-o'-lantern life.
Well, I have to say that I think the story is quite clear. I think you helped it by explaining it a little bit more. I will say that I think you went all out in use of the guts for hair and also the little additions that you put on there.
Well, first off, I love your really metaphysical story.
Thank you.
That you captured in your carving.
Thank you.
I really appreciate how you went deeper in some spots and then kind of peeled back a little, Damaris, and then you recycled. It's almost like you composted in your design.
Upcycling.
You upcycled.
Judges, take a minute, discuss. $10,000 is on the line.
So the winner of this Duff versus Damaris pumpkin carving contest is...
Come on.
2-second pause. Damaris.
Yes! In your face! In your face!
I'm gonna.
No, don't. Go with your good side, Duff. Go with the good side. Don't be bad. Don't be bad. Thanks. Come again.
Congratulations.
Duff, great job to you as well.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
great job.
Yay.